As always, thank you guys for checking out my channel. Here's a locker code for you, just in case you haven't gotten it. Let's get into it. No bread, please. What's up, y'all? We got another video today, man. I just got that 2K21. I know I'm a little late to the party, but we're gonna go ahead and do a 200,000 VC pack opening. And I'm guessing we're just gonna go ahead and go with the Kobe packs, man. Hopefully we pull a Kobe for the video, man. Let's see what we can do. Let's get into it. We got Lamar Odom. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. I'll take that. I have not gotten an Odom yet. I'll take that. Derrick Jones, okay. I'll take that. We need a Kobe though, man. We need a Kobe. We need a Kobe. Man, I'm tired of getting him, man. I don't want him. We need a Kobe, guys. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. What we got? Oh, what we got? Come on, give me something good, man. What is this? Who is this? Who is this? Kimba? Oh, we got Kyrie. Okay. I don't think I've gotten Kyrie yet. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We got Mutombo. Okay, I'll take that. What can we pull in these? I'm trying to figure out what we can actually pull. Okay. So on here, I guess it tells you the percentage. Look at that percentage. 4%. Okay, come on. I don't know if I want to keep opening up these. These aren't doing me any justice, man. I keep getting rubies. We got another Mutombo. Sent to my auctions. I don't want the Mutombo. We're already halfway through already. Another Mutombo. Guys, don't get these packs. Do not get these packs. This is crazy. I cannot believe this. Do not get these packs, guys. What is this? What are they trying to give me? We need a diamond. That's what we need, a diamond. They're going to give us, watch, they're going to give us nothing but D'Angelo Russells and 90. Who is this? Who is this? Oh, man, not him. He goes for like one. We got 95 left. 95. Should we open one of these? Go big or go home, man. You know what? Who can we get out of here? Let's open one of these. See if we get any luck. We got something. We got something. Who is this? Oh, we got Julius Erving? I'll take that. I'll take that. I will take that. I don't know how much he's going for. I'll take Julius. I'll take that. You know what? That's a good one. Should we open another one? These seem like they're stacked. Guaranteed player, 4 random items. Okay. I think we want to go with %3 chance. That is wild. I want that Kareem, man. Back out, go back in. Team, we got about 4 packs of these and about 8 packs of these. So I think we should finish it off. Matter of fact, we're just gonna do one. One more. I like these. Oh no, these packs are horrible. We need these. I'm sorry, man. We're not about to do that. Oh, what was that? What we got? Oh, Jordan Clarkson. Okay, we'll take it. Got about. Let's go. Go big or go home, guys. Go big or go home. We need that Kobe tonight. We need that Kobe tonight. We need that Kobe tonight, guys. Who is this? Oh, man. Not D'Angelo Russell. It's okay. Come on. Okay. Since auction. Come on. We got about 2 more of these. What we get? If this is your first time checking out my channel, man, I think I'll be doing more. I think I'm gonna go Myteam this year. I think it'll be fully Myteam. So if you're interested in Myteam, go ahead and subscribe. We got big stuff coming. We're gonna sell you, buddy. I cannot believe we didn't pull anything. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe. Oh, okay, we got 2. I can't believe this. We got 1 more pack in us. Should we go with the Jason Tatum pack? Nah, we're not going with this pack. Go big or go home. Dang it. Crap, guys. I don't know, man. When this happens, I end up spending more money. I hate doing that, dude. I cannot be spending money I don't have. As always, thank you guys for checking out the video, man. We're on a grind. And it's time for us to shine. You always feel free to come back and hang out with us, man. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Bye-bye.